I tried to drive my car off somewhere and it was not moving. And one of the bystanders was like, "Your car is not going anywhere, hun." My tire was like completely on the ground. I was in complete shock at first, and then I had pretty much a full mental breakdown at that point. There was a lot of emotions. My name is Ashleigh. Currently, I live in Cocoa, Florida. It was after my friend's kid's birthday party. Me and my son had come home afterwards. It was about 9:30 at night, so I went to take him to the McDonald's right around the corner from my house. Whenever I was at the stoplight, the light was red, turned green, and all I remember is turning to go towards McDonald's, and I don't know if I passed out or if my brain just blocked it out. To this day, I still don't remember what happened, but I just remember people screaming at me saying, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" I ended up making a post on Facebook, and someone commented on there saying that her friend recently was in a car accident. She didn't go to the hospital, and she actually suffered from internal injuries. So I ended up taking me and my son to the hospital the following morning to get checked out. He was fine. Luckily, he had no injuries, no damage, no whiplash, anything. I ended up getting a double frontal lobe concussion. I had major whiplash in my spine. I ended up with a bulging disc in my lower back and 2 herniated discs in my neck. My back always hurts. If I sit for too long, my back hurts. If I stand for too long, my back hurts. If I walk for too long, my back hurts. They even told me whenever I would have the surgery that you're gonna be about at a 75 to 80% for the rest of your life. Like, it's just not the 100 like it was. I was recommended Chubb Law Firm through a job I was working at the time. We had a attorney there, and he recommended Chub Law for me. It went really well. I liked how personal it was. He actually cared about my well-being and actually took the time to ask me every question. He had so much guidance for me already. I knew he was the right one for me. Honestly, I just had no idea what I was doing. It's my first time ever having an attorney or taking legal advice from anybody. It's pretty intimidating, but Mitch made it so easy. He guided me through everything I needed to know. He answered even the dumbest, littlest of questions that I had. He was so thorough and smart. He took care of everything. He would follow up with me regularly and let me know what was going on. Mitch was able to get a settlement for me, and I paid off my house, bought a car cash, paid off all my debts. We could have settled like 10 days after, but he really pushed to get the best settlement that he could get. I trusted him. I just kept my patience because I knew it would be worth the wait. I feel like I would have never been able to guide myself through everything myself. Honestly, it's a lot. I didn't even know it was going to be that much. I didn't know I needed physical therapy. I didn't know that my cervical spine got that much damage because it seems like it was such a minor accident. I'm not experienced in any of that, whereas an attorney is. They know what to do. They know the steps to get you through all the care you need to get done. If I would have never hired an attorney, I probably would have never had any of that done. I probably never would have gone and taken the extra steps. I probably would have just stuck with that one hospital visit that told me I just had whiplash. I wouldn't have known the rest. And I feel like it's very essential after a car accident. It's important to hire an attorney because, like me, there's a million other people out there that don't know these things. He works really well with you. He will answer any questions you need, and he will fight for you. He will do his best to make sure you get what you deserve. I highly recommend him.